Hello, my name is Kurt Kempton, and I'd like to show you today how to use the form builder. The first items, if you don't have a premium account, you'll notice that you don't have this checkbox. We'll talk about that checkbox in just a little bit, but if you do have a premium account, you definitely want to check that box first because it's going to allow you to collect this information after the person has gone through the bidding process, and it's going to improve your click-through rate. You'll notice that there's two columns in front of each label here. So there's the request and the required field. If you request information but you don't require it, in this case I'm doing that now for the phone number, that just means that when the person is given the form that they won't necessarily have to give you that information, but they can. In this case, I'm not even asking for the alternate phone number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the label. I'm going to call this main phone. Hit enter, and now when I click save, you'll notice that of all the items that I'm requesting but not requiring is just the main phone number and the zip code. So when I go to the smart form and I pull it up, you'll see that number one, because I checked the box at the end, you'll see that first it's going to ask me for property information, then window cleaning information. In this case I have exact and rough quote set up, and then at the very end it's going to ask me contact information. You'll notice that main phone and zip code are both not required, and that's because I made it that way. You'll also notice that it's important that I collect enough information from the customer to be able to give them contact afterward and follow up with the bid, but I'm collecting a little enough information that it's not overwhelming. That's an important balance to find that's going to work best for your company. Also note that if you were to not require, you see how when I click continue it makes the required fields turn red. By not requiring the email address, it would make it impossible for any automated follow-up to take place. So just keep that in mind. Again, if you're a premium customer and you're using the follow-up builder, you'll definitely want to be making sure that you require the email address so that your follow-ups will go out. But other than that, I think it's pretty straightforward, and if you ever have any questions, you can always go to the Discuss This area and, of course, ask any questions in our Q&A forums. Enjoy!